Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learning Steps. Our today's topic is Mangala Grahadalli Putti. It is in the Siri Kannada textbook for class 6. Here in this video, I am going to explain the question and answers of Mangala Grahadalli Putti in English. So, it will be easy for all of you to understand the question and answer, and it will be easy to remember all the answers. So, let's start the topic then. First one, Kavi Parichaya. Kavi means poet, Parichaya means about. So it's about the poet. Kaviya Hesaru means poet name. His name is C.M. Govinda Reddy. Janana. Janana means date of birth. It is 11/8/1958. Sthala. Sthala means birthplace. It was Kolara ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ means district Kolar, Maluru ತಾಲೂಕಿನ Jenigarayapura means his birthplace is Jenigarayapura village, Malur Taluk. It's in Kolar district. Krutigalu. Krutigalu means his writings or his works. Bannada Chitti, Makkala Mandara, Padya Heluba Mara. Akara Grantha. Akara Grantha means source book. Makkala Mandara. Next one, Padagala Artha. Padagala means word, Artha means meaning. So it is word meaning. First word is Reke. Reke means Hakkigalu Pukka or Gari. That means wings. Second word, Odalu. Odalu means Sarira, body. Third word, Sagu. Chalisu, move. Hevande. Hevande means Doda Vande. It means big rock. Fifth word, Bayalu. Bayalu means Angala or Maidana, ground. Sixth word, Ali. Sayu means die. Next question, ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ. ಒಂದು means one, ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ means sentence, and ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ means answer. So write the answer in one sentence. The first question is, ಪುಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಯಾರ ಹಾಗೆ ಹಾರುವ ಮನನಿತ್ತು means Putti wants to fly like whom? Hage means like, Haruba means fly. So the answer is Puttige hakkiya hage haruva mananittu means Putti wants to fly like birds. Here in place of yara only we have to write the answer hakkiya and rest of the thing is same. Second question, Chandrana vittu mele harida Putti elige seridalu means after leaving Chandrana means moon. Bittu mele harida means after leaving moon. Putti, the little girl Putti, elige means where, seridalu means reach. The answer is Chandrana vittu mele harida Putti Mangalana Angalavannu hiridalu means after leaving moon Putti reached courtyard of the planet Mars. Here in place of elige only we have to write the answer Mangalana Angalavannu. Next one, Putti Yogige Enendu Geridaru means Putti, the little girl Putti. Yogige means that big rock what Putti saw in Mars. Enendu means what? Geridaru means she asked. So what did Putti ask Yogi? So the answer is Putti Yogige Neenu hege elige onde embu keridalu means Putti asked Yogi, how did you come here? Neenu means you, Hege means here, elige means how, onde means come. So how did you come here? Next one, Mangala Grahadalli bara eke bantu means how did, bara means the drought. So how did there come a drought on Mars? So the answer is Arina Janateyu means people of Mars. Nadanu Kattalu means they wanted to build the country or they build the land. Then Maragala. Maragala means trees. Then Kadidu the Rinda means they cut the trees. Barabantu that brought the drought. So the drought came because the people cut down the trees to build the land or build the country. Nadanu Kattalu means they wanted to build the houses or build the country in that sense. So they wanted to build the land. That's why what they did, they cut the trees. Maragala means trees. Kadidudarinda means they cut the trees. So that came the drought in March. Next question. Putti generally ಏನನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸಲು ಬೆಳೆದಳು means Putti, the little girl Putti generally means to the people. Enenu means what? Ulisalu means to save. Bedidalu means pleaded. So what did Putti plead people to save? So the answer is Putti generally in place of Enannu we have to write Hasirannu. Hasirannu means the greenery. Ulisalu Badidalu means Putti pleaded people to save the greenery. Here also in place of Enannu only we have to write the answer Hasirannu. Only we have to add this word has Hasirannu and the rest of the thing is same. Next one, Bitta Stalla Tumbi means fill in the blanks. The first one is Undina ಇದ್ದಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಂತೆ ಪುಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬಂದಿತು means one day Putti suddenly grew dash wings. So one day Putti got her wings. ರೆಕ್ಕೆಯು means wings. Next one. ಹರುತ ತೆಲುತ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಗಿ ಚಂದ್ರನ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಸೇರಿದಲು ಮಡಿಲನು means lap. So one day flying, Haruta means flying, Teluta means floating. By flying and floating, Mundage Sagi means move forward. Chandrana means moon. Madilanu means lap. So lap of the moon. Seridalu means reach. So one day Putti reached at the lap of the moon. Next one. Puttige nammi ಮಂಗಲ ಗ್ರಹ ದುರಂತ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕೇಳಿತೀರಿ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನು means story. So Puttiye means that big rock told to Puttiye means hey Putti nammi ಮಂಗಲ ಗ್ರಹದ ದುರಂತ means listen to the tragedy. Duranta means tragedy. Kathayanu means story of ಕೇಳಿತೀರಿ means of our planet Mars. Next one. ಹಸಿರನ್ನು ಅಲಿಸದೆ ಗಿದ್ದ ಮರವೆಲೆಸಿ ಸುವೆಂದಲು ಈ ಧರೆಯ means the land. ಹರಿಸನು means the greenery. So save this land by planting trees and not destroying the greenery. Next one. ಸ್ವಂತ ವಾಕ್ಯ ರಚಿಸಿ means write your own sentence. The first word is ಹರುಸ. ಹರುಸ means joy. So the sentence is ಹಬ್ಬಗಳು means festivals. ನಮಗೆ means us. ಹರುಸವಂತು means joy. ತರುತ್ತವೆ means brings. So festival brings us joy. Next one. ದುರಂತ means tragedy. So ಕೆಲವು ಕಥೆಗಳು some stories. ಕೆಲವು means some. ಕಥೆಗಳು means stories. ದುರಂತದಲ್ಲಿ means tragedy. ಅಂತ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತವೆ means it end. So some story end in tragedy. So next word is ಗ್ರಹ. ಸೌರಮಂಡಲದಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಗ್ರಹಗಳಿವೆ. ಸೌರಮಂಡಲದಲ್ಲಿ means solar system. 8 means 8. ಗ್ರಹಗಳಿವೆ means planets. So solar system have 8 planets. Next word ಸಸಿ. ಸಸಿ means seedling. ರೈತರು ಹೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ means farmers in the field ಸಸಿಗಳನ್ನು ನೆಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ means farmers are planting and seedling in the field. ಸಸಿಗಳನ್ನು means seedling, ನೆಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ means planting. So farmers are planting and seedling in the field. Next one. ಸೂಚನೆಯಂತೆ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ means write as instructed. ಜಲಪದದ ಸಮಾನಾರ್ಥಕ ಪದ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. So ಸಮಾನಾರ್ಥಕ means synonyms. Write the synonym of the word jala. Jala means basically water. So the answer is ನೀರು, ಉದಕ and ಸಲಿಲ. Next one. ಹಿಂದೊಂದು ಪದವನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಬಿಡಿಸಿ means untie. So untie that word ಹಿಂದೊಂದು and write. So the answer is ಹಿಂದೆ plus ಒಂದು. Next one. ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಪದ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ವಿರುದ್ಧ means the opposite word. The first one is ಒಳಿವು. ಒಳಿವು opposite is ಉಳಿವು. ತೇಲು opposite is ಮುಳುಗು. Next one. ಸಜೀವ opposite is ನಿರ್ಜೀವ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ನುಡಿಗತ್ತುಗಳ ಅರ್ಥವರೇರಿ. ನುಡಿಗತ್ತುಗಳ means the given phrase. Okay, we have to write the meaning of the given phrase. So the first one is Benu Tattu. Benu Tattu means to pat on the back. So that meaning Pratyahisu. Pratyahisu means encourage. So the next word is Topi Haku. Topi Haku means put on a hat. Vosa Madu. Vosa means make a noise. Next one, Relu Biddu means leave the room. Sulu Hedu means lie. Hasige Hidi hold the bed. Kaile Billu means sickness. Ettida Kai means raise the key. Pravina means expert. So this is all about the question and answer of the poem Mangalagrahadalli Putti. Here in this video I have tried to explain all the question answer in simple English, so it will be easy for all of you to understand. I hope you enjoyed the video and you understood the topic. If you like my video, please subscribe and like to my channel. Thank you.